In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Airtel to Shopify. To get started, you first need to open your Shopify store admin. This is where you manage products, settings, and your payment setup. If you are already logged in, take a moment to look along the left side menu or the settings area. The goal of this process is to connect Airtel as a payment provider so your customers can choose it during checkout. Now, move to the settings area in Shopify. In the Shopify admin dashboard, you will find a section labeled Settings. When you open that, it will show options for different parts of your store, such as General Settings, Payments, and other configurations. This step matters because payment providers are configured from the Payment section, not from Product or Shipping settings. Next, go to the Payment settings. Inside Settings, look for an option that says Payments. Once you click on Payments, Shopify will take you to a page that lists your existing payment methods and options. This is where you manage what methods are available at checkout. Take your time here because it is important that you are in the correct payment screen before trying to add a provider. After you open Payments, you will see an area where you can add a new payment provider. Look for a button or link that says Add Provider. Click that option to begin the connection process. This step is the starting point for integrating Airtel, because Shopify needs you to choose which provider you are adding. Now you should be in the provider selection area. There, you will see a field or drop-down for provider type. It may also show options or a list of provider categories. Your instruction here is to set the provider type to Airtel. So click on the provider type field and choose Airtel. If you see a search box, you can type to quickly find it, but the key thing is that the selected provider type must be Airtel. Once you have selected Airtel as the provider type, you have completed the main selection step from the instructions. At this point, Shopify will usually prepare the next part of the provider connection, such as setup steps or confirmation screens. Since the instruction provided specifically focuses on selecting the provider type, your next action should be to continue only after Airtel is chosen correctly, and you see the interface confirm that Airtel is the provider you are adding. To help you avoid mistakes, double-check that the provider type displayed on the screen is indeed Airtel. Sometimes stores have multiple providers, and selecting the correct one ensures you connect the right payment option. This is especially important because adding the wrong provider can lead to setup confusion later. Now that Airtel is selected under the provider type, you are ready for the rest of the connection flow that follows in Shopify. Follow whatever on-screen prompts appear next in the Airtel provider setup. But keep in mind that the step we covered here is the selection and initiation of adding Airtel as a payment provider from the Payments area. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.